What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk to you about Faraday Future. I want to go over some of the current data points, break it down what's really affecting it, and go over everything else you need to know. But first, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So Faraday does have a low so far of roughly 89 or 90 cents, down 11.79%. So new 52-week low is being hit. $1.01 is the high. So they did put out something after hours yesterday, and that was a Form D. I wanted to explain exactly why they are doing that and everything else. But overall, today just sucks. The market is absolutely horrific. A lot of tensions associated to tariffs, and then Powell just came out as well. Didn't really help the scenario. Said that we have to wait and see what the tariffs do bring for data points, and then we might look at rate cuts. But until right now, we're just gonna sit and wait. So nobody on earth wanted to hear that at all. So let me know your general thoughts on that. But Faraday did put this out, a Form D, and so this is a issuance outside of the SEC, so they're not registering these shares. And I feel like a lot of people are rather confused by this. So for those of you that have been kind of following my channel, they recently did do a prospectus, so a note, and there was a very odd new kind of clause on that note. If Faraday was to go below $1, that's where essentially they go default, and it's kind of obviously the investor can cancel the note. So when it comes down to this Form D, they are issuing roughly around $41 million. First transaction that was done was right over here on the 4th. Based on the types of securities that they are doing, it goes to show that it is most likely linked to those notes. So they kind of agreed on the notes, and now they're just fulfilling it behind the scenes. Again, this is my interpretation of this, and as much as I really am kind of just watching Faraday do its thing, and I've been very accurate on kind of the trajectory of where Faraday has been going, this isn't as big of a deal as what people are portraying it as. So they're just fulfilling the note only because of that addition of that clause. It does go to show though that there is more issuance that needs to be done. So on the 4th, they did 8 points, rounding up 8.9 million. So they still do have to do another 32, but nonetheless though, it's not that big of a deal. I think rather the bigger concern is what Powell just mentioned, and more so associated to tariffs rather than that Form D, but still nonetheless it's something to kind of keep in mind. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Aside from that though, roughly shorts are increasing 59,000 shares today. 27.79% of the free floats being shorted, works out to be 21.99 million shares. As I've mentioned, as a fun disclaimer, if you do feel Faraday is diluting behind the scenes, take this with a grain of salt then, because that 27% would be lower, again, if dilution is occurring. But yeah, I think all in all, I just wanted to pop on, do a quick video about this Form D. Last news that did come out was just this. So another exclusive event behind closed doors. They like to do that more and more. I don't know why they're really excluding media. I see that as a potential red flag, but then again, I generally am somewhat bearish on Faraday. I just still cover it because I like to add some clarity on exactly what they are doing, including this Form D, which again, I don't really see it as that big of a deal. It's just kind of a way around paying off the previous note, which again, with it being below $1, is a little bit gray. So let me know your thoughts on Faraday. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you concerned that Faraday is below $1 right now, or do you think it's just temporary? So again, what's your kind of 2 cents on all that? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And one final thing, if you're looking for some kick-ass buy signals, pop over to my Patreon. I give buy signals on stocks, options, crypto, many of which have been absolutely on point and bangers. Definitely worthwhile to pop over there and take a look. With all that, appreciate all of you watching.